like I'm Tom Brady. I be quick to take a hit. Nigga made me mad, I drop a bat, have bro, no Cinnabon. The rallies on our ass and bitches mad, cause we got it glitch. I still pick up that stuff, get in that field and go hit any bitch. Nigga play, he can die tonight.
Boule, but you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gon' send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be installing some parts on my 340. You feel me? I ran a poll on Instagram asking if I should just wait until all the parts come or if I should install them as they come. So 2 packages came already. This is carbon fiber mirror caps and smoke sequentials. So I'm about to go to the dealership where I got my car to get a car wash and like detail all that, because when I bought the car it came like a package where I can get like free car washes or whatever, and I don't feel like washing my car myself right now. So I'm heading over there right now, and then after that I'm going to link Jordan, and then we're going to install these because he installed his mirror caps and sequentials before and I ain't do it, so he should have some experience doing it, hopefully, because you know he be acting like a dweeb sometimes. But with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss our upload. We hit 3,000 subscribers, so now we're on the 4,000 subscribers. Keep on sharing, keep on liking, keep on commenting, doing y'all thing, you feel me? Enjoying the videos. I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm at the little car wash place. So you know how I was saying, new op pack, right? Hold on. I was saying new op pack on my IG. If you follow me on IG at VonHylton, you feel me? I was saying new op pack to Sawgrass Infinity, but you know I got a little package where you get free car washes and shit like that. So shout out to Sawgrass Infinity. Ain't no new op pack, you feel me? Oh, and they got a little inside right. So let me show y'all something real quick and give you a little tip. Always gotta have smell goods in your car. So let me. Oh shit. Yeah. Now we in action. Feel me? Now you finna. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Tighten up. Throw that bitch in. Sport Plaza. And then hit the. Alright. Now we on the way to get Jordan, you feel me? We gonna get right. Alright, I linked with the master mechanic.
Make sure you hide your address.
Yeah, that.
You gotta cut that out, bro.
So,
you said master mechanic. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. I don't know master.
So we about to take these off.
About to look like this.
About to look like this.
Hold on.
Did I do it? Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Because
it was already unlocked.
The sequential and then the carbon fiber mirror cap. So we about to do that now. Bro, relax. Do that now and then see how it looks. Probably gonna get y'all some cinematics with the bait cam and all that other stuff. But
Are we switching cars today?
yeah, sure.
Alright, let me start my video.
Oh man, here we go. But I got the sequentials in the back right here. Smoke sequentials. And so I'm gonna get y'all some clips of us doing that. Yeah.
What's going on, Fast Talk family? It's the boy Fast Talk.
Why you gotta be so extra, bro? Oh my god. Alright, so we looked at a short little tutorial of how to do it.
Man, came unprepared again, bro.
Unprepared?
Yes.
Alright, bro. Alright, anyways, so with F30, what you gotta do is tilt your mirrors all the way up, and then you have to apply pressure at the top end and pry it from the bottom around, because like this clips, as you can see, is in a circle. Then you got 5 T10 screws right here and one more right here. Once you take that off,
Probably the worst.
this right here can come. It's not really a tutorial. I'm showing y'all how I'm doing it. And then this right here gonna come off, give you access to this. You just plug it out and plug the new one in, and that's it. So Right now, Jordan is doing his little master mechanic stuff because he a licensed professional. You feel me?
Bro,
What
I'm
you
not
mean?
licensed professional. I don't know what you're talking about.
You not a fast life mechanic?
That's fast life diagnostics.
So this not a diagnostic?
This ain't no damn diagnostic. Bro, look at what we doing. This looks like a diagnostic. I'm like, am I driving the car? No, I'm not.
Yeah, bro.
Later on in the video, I'll drive the car.
Anyway, yeah, he doing that. And then we got this one we finna do, but we're gonna do it one at a time, take our time with it. But, hey, relax. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. After you take out these 5 screws on the back, this one screw right here, this comes off, this comes free, unplug it, plug the new one in, and bolt everything back up.
You sure it's all 5 screws we gotta take off?
Yeah, he's all 5.
I don't know where you wanna put them. Probably just throw it over there.
Alright, I'm just going.
Yep. Find it later.
Alright, first time working on the F30, first mod, you feel me? Alright,
okay.
Hold on, this, yeah. You got a slimmer one. I thought they were the same size.
Nah, bro.
Alright, sequentials in, you feel me? Smoke sequentials.
Alright, now we gotta get the other side.
And we gotta put the mirror cap on too. But we're gonna do the other side and then reassemble all that. Yo, relax, bro. Like, yo, this man. Alright. Man, funny, bro. But we about to do this side and get y'all the finished look soon. You feel me? Yes, sir. Alright, so everything all cleaned up. On the scale of 1 to 10 on how hard it was to basically install this, I'll probably give like a 5.5.
I give it a 5.
Probably like a 5.5.
Views, I'll give it a 10.
Chill, bro. But sequentials in, mirror caps on. So these are 2 of the packages out of 7 that's coming. Y'all probably already know what the rest of the packages are, the rest of the, you know what I mean? You feel me? So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 4,000 subscribers. I think I'm about to switch cars with Jordan. That's what we doing?
Yeah.
Probably about to switch cars, you feel me? Get another video in. But with that being said, make sure you turn on post notifications so you never. What you said?
My shit.
This is bad, bro. Yeah, well, like I was saying, if you're new to the channel, make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. Be your boy Vaughn, and I'm gone.
Just cause you don't like the way another nigga talk. Like I'm Tom Brady, I be quick to take a hit. Nigga made me mad, I drop a bat, have bro no cinnamon. The rallies on our ass and bitches mad, cause we got it glitch. I still
Lot of hill, whole lot of drill, slot of hill, shallow side, hey, grab out. Hey, we don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave 5. Hey, on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit, I ate, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, run, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Can't fuck no lil' thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me and sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me or my throat. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JBB, Frank One, Nixon, and no Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got
she gotta leave at once. Another little
Hey,
bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta
Gang.
be smoking
Hey.
runs. Gotta be smoking runs.
Blah.
Gotta be smoking runs.
Yeah, nah.
Gotta be smoking
Leave
runs.
at one.
Gotta be
smoking.
runs.
Zaza. Blah. Blah, blah, blah.